Okay guys, I'm here to teach you on how, hello, my name is Benjamin Kichkonsi. You can also call me Bensity, Bensity Interiors and Bensity Paint. So I'm here to teach you guys how to screed. So in case you are an intended screed or intended painter, you want to learn how to screed by yourself, or you have your own house, you just want to screed your small apartment yourself. I'm here to teach you on how to do that yourself. So I also teach on paint production, how to mix your colors, how to do once it comes to building and interiors. I'm here to cover you up. So let's go down to business. So as you can see, number one place you get the tools you need is your trowel and your scraper. You can get any building material anywhere in any location of the country. So you get your trowel first and you get your scraper. Sure. Actually, these tools you are seeing, I've been using them for long, so that's why you see that they actually. But don't look at the tools; it's about the skill. So first of all, what you do, you put your putty on your trowel. That's your screen and painted trowel. Then you come, you place it on the wall, drag it down. This is the first. Don't look at this first. So what you do now, then you take the second one again, finish it up on the wall, as you can see. So clean up your trowel. Then note, don't do like this, but rather like this. Slant it. And then clean it off. Take this other part, come to the second part, do the same thing you just did, drag it down, clean it off. So come here, then clean off the one you just did. Clean it up again, come to the second part, clean it off again. Then you have, mind you, this is just the first coat. This is just the first coat, so you're gonna allow this to dry first for taking up to like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then you allow it to dry before applying the second coat. The first coat is a little bit somehow rough, but you can see even as this is, it's still smooth. But the second coat is more smoother. It gives it this lovely and smooth surface. So after applying the first coat, hold on first, leave it for like an hour. Then you come back, or 30 minutes as the case may be, as the weather may be. So then you come back, then once it's dry, the major thing is that you check whether it's dried. Once it's dried, then you come back and then apply the second coat. So this is how to apply your screen and paint. So watching my other videos, I also teach you on how to produce screen and paint and how to produce emulsion paint, satin paint, all manner of paint you want to learn. I also teach on how to do all these things. So the only way you can know this is when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, our TikTok, and our Facebook. Follow us on our Facebook account, our TikTok, and also Instagram. You're going to see how I do all these things. They are very simple, actually. What will make it simple is because of the kind of tutor who is tutoring you on this. So, see you guys in the next video. I still remember my humble self, best team. So guys, I still remember my humble self, Bensity Interiors and Paints. You can call it Bensity. See you in the next video.